One half of a pair of accused Walmart shoplifters tells police it's not shoplifting when the card reader doesn't accept your card and you walk out with items, especially when all the beeping from the checkout machines becomes annoying.
Charges are pending on that suspect, but his alleged accomplice, Jessica Eccles, is charged. The warrants were not served on the pair during the pandemic, and Eccles was finally booked this month. According to the arrest affidavit, the two were in the Lawrence Road Walmart loading dozens and dozens of items into a cart and never looking at the prices, which made security suspicious.
They say the male went to check out and scanned some items when he went to the exit with the cart full of unscanned items, leaving Eccles at the checkout with other items. They say she attempted to use a card that was rejected, then she too left. The male suspect argued they could not charge him with theft because he tried to pay, but his card was declined, even though there was $1,700 in his account. He said he left with the cart full of unpaid items because he was tired of being in Walmart and all the beeping of the machines was getting annoying.
Police believe the man walked away with most of the unpaid merchandise while Eccles stayed behind to make it appear that they were going to pay or already had paid and that they left by different exits. Police say Eccles also gave a fake name when stopped.